Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nuratika binti Yusri. I am from Bachelor in Creative Multimedia. So the movie that I choose for my task are Venom and Over the Moon. Venom is the real movie and the action genre, while Over the Moon is the animated movie. So let me explain about the Venom first. Venom is one of four alien symbiotes traveling on a comet as an advanced scout party, looking for a world to conquer. They are found by a spacecraft belonging to the Life Foundation and taken to Earth. The riot symbiotes manage to escape, but Venom and the other two are subjected to extensive testing by Captain Drake to discover their abilities. So the moral story that I got from the movie is always do the right thing even if it means risking everything. Eddie is forced to make tough decisions in this film. He knows Captain Drake is evil and understands that people need to know what does he do. He goes out of his way to make sure the people know. He knows that he could lose his career, his girlfriend, and maybe his life, but he still chooses to do the right thing. It's always important to remember to do the right thing, no matter what. Next, storyline Over the Moon. Over the Moon tells the story of Fei Fei, a bright young girl with a passion for science, who, after the death of her mother, used a rocket ship to the moon to prove the existence of the moon goddess Chang'e. Moral story. The moral story of Over the Moon is accept other people's grief. What Over the Moon does best is explore how grieving impacts everyone differently, from Fei Fei father to her soon-to-be brother Qin. Loss touch everyone in a unique way, and Fei Fei's new lesson is to both accept other people's grief while understanding her own. So the conclusion is the Venom movie. I would prefer that the movie can add more moral value to giving the impact for the audience who watch the movie, such as making storyline more intriguing. After that, for the animated movie, which is Over the Moon, the director have an adequate plot and moral story that inspire the children